yun nga, back to your PBB journey. Mula
Opo.
sa bahay, ngayon na nakalabas ka na, what do you think is one of the most important learnings na nakuha mo?
I always say, kasi na every day there's a lesson. Parang it's up to you if you want to pick it up eh. Pero I wanna say also is, yung natutunan ko rin sa bahay ni Kuya is, you don't run away from your problems talaga, you face it. So, kanina, parang, di ba pagka-interview, there's questions na hindi pwede itanong ganyan. Pero para sa akin po, lahat po ng questions pwedeng itanong kasi as much as possible, I wanna address everything. I don't wanna run away from my problems ever again here, outside. Kasi sa labas, di ba,
Ang ganda nun. I see the character
galing kay Kuya yun.
growth.
Galing kay Kuya.
na-pick
Kuya,
up
shoutout
mo
sa'yo.
at
Thank you po.
least, diba?
Yeah.
Kanina pa naman, Chloe, nag-usap tayo na ano kaya yung pwede nating itanong.
Yes,
Kaya-
kasi parang we were thinking, naku baka mahirapan tayo. Na parang, kasi syempre, we want to also empathize with you.
Opo.
Na
Thank
like
you
how
so
you
much.
are with family or bashers, ganon.
But it would
Syempre.
make di ba syempre for the interviewer, it would be harder if merong mga tanong na hindi pwedeng itanong.
Kasi
diba?
parang nakabakod ka,
Opo,
ganon.
hindi, ayokong ganun. Opo. Lahat naman po pwedeng tanong. Tsaka, it's how you react eh. It's how you, diba, answer.
Kaya naman, itatanong namin. Ay,
Ayun
bigla
naman.
Bigla
Biglang
may
ganon.
ganun. May suspense at